everyone, Ange here from 23W. Happy New Year. We've had a bunch of new inquiries from women who are keen to join us or at least find out a little bit more about who we are. So I thought, why not give you a quick studio tour and show you one of our classes in action. Behind me, we do have one of our strong sessions happening. This is our bread and butter style of training, the training that we are most known for across the Melbourne region. We offer true strength training in a group environment. It's social, it's challenging, and it is varied. We track and measure all of your big lifts to ensure you're getting stronger. And also, we are making sure we're keeping a good eye on your technique so that you're getting confident every single time that you train. We do have our shared care nanny, that is Jenny. She's currently the master of all the children. So if you're a mum, you can bring your children into 23W and know that there is going to be somebody there that's going to be watching over them. I know as a mother myself, it is a huge barrier to returning back to exercise when you might be stuck at home with your kids and you just can't get out a good workout. Well, we take care of that situation for you at 23W by making sure that Jenny is here during all of the mum training times. Now, anyone can bring a baby or a child into 23W. We do have a specific membership called our Mum Pass. If you've got a baby under the age of 12 months, it's slightly reduced, a slightly reduced timetable as well as cost. But just to reiterate, anyone can bring in their kids and know that they are going to be looked after so that you can get a great workout. See behind me, we have a state-of-the-art gym that we keep in impeccable condition because we do cater for women. We know that you like to keep it clean, tidy, and looking good. We've got a huge rack, lots of benches, lots of barbells, lots of plates for real women to be throwing lots of weight around the gym. And we pride ourselves on keeping our programs varied. So there is no chance of you losing interest in your training because we're always making sure that we're adding things in that challenge you, that keep you feeling more engaged, motivated to be wanting to come in and train that little bit harder. One reason why a lot of women stop training is because they hit a plateau in their exercise. You might be lifting the same weights at home, those same sad 3-kilo dumbbells. Well, we take care of that because we've got a huge selection of weights. And as I said, the coaches are always there to challenge and motivate you to be making sure that you're pushing yourself so that you are reaching your training goals, that you're training effectively, that you're training efficiently, and that is the most important thing to us because we know women are super busy. We just have the one studio here at 23W. If you're worried about COVID, we've got lots of space to be spreading you out across our two amazing studios. We have our strength room, yes. We also have this amazing space in here where we do our boxing, yoga, and Pilates. You can see the girls behind me here. They are working hard. So we can be making sure that we're spreading you out when you're in training, but also we can be offering a variety of different training styles as well. So not only do we do strength training, we also have some HIIT, some boxing, yoga, Pilates. So we are truly your one-stop shop to be making sure that you're able to get your training in on the one pass, which once again saves you money. Now, I know a lot of you guys might be working from home at the moment, but if you need to get yourself ready for the day, rest assured we have an amazing shower facility here at 23W with towels included, as well as a little station to be helping you get ready, full lit up mirror, LED mirror, a GHD straightener and hairdryer so that you don't need to be worrying about the mad rush to get to the gym, get home, get yourself ready for the day. We have everything you could possibly need to be making sure you're stepping out of the gym looking fresh, looking fly. Now, for those of you who are serious about your results for 2022, this is possibly the best little piece that I'm about to show you. Here at 23W, we do have our very own InBody scanner. Now, if you've never done an InBody scan, I'm here to tell you right now, it gives you so much powerful data about where you're currently sitting in terms of your body composition. We're able to take a scan, only takes 5 minutes or so, as well as giving you a full consultation about what you should be doing with your training and your nutrition to be keeping you on track. Now, as we know, the bathroom scales don't tend to give us a full picture of everything that's going on within your body in terms of changes. An InBody scanner allows you to actually have real, amazing data to see how your body is changing over a period of time. So this series here, guys, is a serious game changer to be including into your training if you are wanting to see changes in your body composition. Guys, the full tour of 23W. If you do have any questions, please make sure you reach out to us. We are a very friendly community. Catch us on an email, pop into the studio, or reach out to us via a direct message on Instagram. We can't wait to hear from you in 2022. We'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.